Something. Haunted Mansion crystals.
So, guys, I'm ready to watch. I'm ready to watch. What y'all gonna do about it? What y'all? Where'd it go?
I just joined you.
Stupid up! Yo, can I join? Can I join? Can I join? Can I join? Can I join you? Can I join you, gang?
I gotta join him. My bad.
No, y'all wanna play that game? You wanna play that game? It's going in ocean. It's going in ocean. Another backpack. Friendly, bro. I add you.
Come here.
I add you, bro. I add you.
Thank you for the loot.
Miss idiot! You absolute walking trash can! Oh my god, how do you miss that? My name is Chef VR. My god, you missed everything. Did you find me? Go to the friends.
Bet. Just bet.
Did you find me?
Yeah, W, bro. Yeah.
I'm gonna join you. Oh no.
What the fuck did I do,
Yeah, you build like a cheese ball.
Can someone help me in this game? Can someone help me? Hey, you.
Look
Hey,
I'm still.
Can you teach me? I'm new to the game. Can you teach me?
Oh, I can teach you.
Yo, okay, come here.
Yeah. Who can teach me?
Let's go.
I can teach you. I can teach you.
I'm Red Wolf.
Okay.
No, bro. Thank you for killing me because there was nothing in that backpack.
Yeah, bro.
And I
That
put
thing
my
will blow you
revolver
up,
away
bro.
anyway.
Come here.
Thank you, bro.
No.
You're looking for the backpack.
The free backpack.
He's gonna expose you.
I'm warning
Give me
you.
that, bro.
I'm warning you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the free backpack, bro.
Oh, laughing out.
I'm warning you.
Oh, laughing out. Purple, get me my revolver back right now.
And I still
Yeah,
have your
Purple, get me
backpack.
my revolver. I am releasing me.
Why did you try and kill him? Why'd you kill him?
I didn't
He was
steal your
nice.
revolver. This is mine. Yes, you did. That's my revolver. That's mine.
Why'd you kill him?
I saw you take it.
I didn't kill him,
bro.
bro. It was
Dude,
that
the
who
guy who
killed
took
him.
it is up here.
Sorry.
Look.
Red.
Cheese ball.
Can you
And you literally took it. Someone up here, but not fucking me.
Big back cheese ball.
It
Give me
was. I
myself, guys.
saw you take it, bro.
Come kill me.
Wow, you killed me for no reason, boy. Oh.
Pinkberry.
Can you buy me a revolver?
Oh, hell.
You
Ah. Hey, let me see your watch.
Cookie ducky.
Cookie with bacon.
Let me get. I want red blue backpack though.
Would you take a blue backpack?
You're not Jacob, bro. Stop being cool.
Bro, you is gay, Red Bull.
How do I get red watch?
I can go kill
How do I
people.
get red watch?
Oh, you gotta kill someone. If you want to get red watch, you gotta, someone else to say so. You gotta get a bomb and throw it at us.
Guys, get me a explosive and someone go out of the safe zone.
What the hell happened to you guy, bro?
I need to get I need to get explosive. I need explosive. Someone get me an explosive. I want to be... This?
No, white.
That's not here. Oh yeah, I know that. That would be back. I have one.
I'll trade you for it. Bro. Please.
Yeah, white one. Yeah. White
It's
one.
the only one I need for my collection.
I don't think I want to give it to you.
I need the white one. I'll trade you.
What do you have that I don't have?
I have 4 pumpkins, a heart
I don't need
launcher,
pumpkins.
and a red light.
I already have all those things. Bro. Gotta step it up.
Bro, you're literally absolutely capping.
Guys, I'm Red Watch. Come and find me.
What's in this backpack? I'm like, bro, no.
I'll give you a hand.
Guys, this guy just said that
Yeah. I need to kill somebody with lots of loot. Dang.
Oh, dude, that's what you get. You get. Give me the gun, bro. Just give me a gun, bro. Give me a gun.
Can I have that once? I had it before.
I had it before. Another freak did it. Stop.
Hey, yo, no killing! He deserves that.
Hey, Red. Hey, Red.
Red.
I'll put ammo in it for you.
Red.
I'll put ammo in it for you. Here.
Drop
Red.
the ammo! Drop the ammo!
Red.
I can buy another one. Here.
Here's my watch! Drop it!
No, don't shoot me.
Kill him! Kill
Stop.
him!
Oh,
Give me the ammo right now!
Can I have it? Say please.
Can I have it? Give me the ammo. Give
Can
me
I
the
put it for
ammo, please!
Here.
Somebody give me
Only the owner can
ammo.
put the ammo in. Only the owner can put the ammo in. Red.
Put it in.
Only the owner can put the ammo in. I have to hold it. Thank you, Scammer. I have to hold it. I have to. Here.
You said scammer get scammed.
Yes.
Imagine dying with a little.
Come here, Red. Come here. Let's
shotgun.
fight, Red. Let's fight.
What the heck? The shotgun isn't even real.
I'll shoot you, bro. I'll shoot you.
Stop killing me.
I'll give you
The
ammo. I'll give
shotgun
you ammo. I'll
isn't
give you
even
ammo.
real. Let's see.
Good. Hey, Zoria, hi, Akaboom. Where's that revolver here? Where's that revolver? Red
The
Wolf!
actual item.
I just shot the crap out of this guy.
Hello?
I like to see butt jiggle.
Stop
Yeah,
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
No! People like kill me. I'm just trying to look for you. I think it was my detail. Where is it? No. Huh?
I like to move it. I like to
I need to go now. No! No, people! Put it.
What the heck? Why do I hear a spider?
Hey, look at it. No! Do that video. wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know.
What are you doing? Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Guys, please. Please. This is a safe zone.
You can't kill me. You can't kill me.
You want to kill people together?
I kill people.